Jessica, let me see. Wow, that's what you learned
Daddy,
today?
can I touch my hand through the
But you go look at what I did
Let
here,
me
kid.
see.
I want to see something else.
Uh-huh.
But Daddy,
And what else?
Open the bottom
What else
because
you learned today?
one is secret. Covering it.
That's her secret time.
Can I see the split again?
Wait, so when they go up, that means they're ready to come out?
Uh-huh.
Wow. You're doing a great job, Jessica. And show me the other things you learned.
You do your extension. Here, you need to hold my hand so you can do your extension. Go ahead, show your extension from the front. From the front. Wait. Grab the front of your foot. That side. There you go. Now can you get it straight? Pull it up. Almost. Oh, wait, don't go that way. Go this way.
Wow, Jessica.
Wow!
I want that room from Balerina school.
You learned that at Balerina school? Wow!
Georgia.
Mommy, you tried that.
I can't. Thank you, Jessica, for
teach
showing
that
it to
to
us.
Mama.
How is the ballerina stand up? Show me. No,
Yeah, show your first
like that.
position.
First
No,
position. I want to
Mommy.
see the
Show
first
mommy
position.
first. Can you show her first?
Yeah.
Show her.
This.
Stand up though. Stand up. Don't lean on the couch.
Okay, let me pick up this
Then
pillow
you're
so
gonna
I can
do a
see
plie.
it.
What's a plie? Show mommy plie.
This.
Wait, open it. Don't stick your booty out. Turn your toes out. And when you open this way. There we go. Say, is that a plie? Plie. What does plie mean?
Yeah, can you see my screen?
To
Yes.
bend. To bend. Up and down. That's right. You bend up
Wow,
and down.
Jessica, thank you for showing me.